Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am getting ready to restock my vanilla buttercream scrub soap. It is basically just vanilla buttercream with some poppy seeds for gentle exfoliation. It's a really simple soap to make because the vanilla buttercream has a lot of aniline in it, and so it's going to discolor. So there's no point in, so I just let it go. It becomes like a medium brown. I don't worry about the color. I don't worry about the fact that it discolors. I think it's fine. And I add the little poppy seeds for some exfoliation, and it ends up being a really nice soap, and it smells really, really good. That's the nice thing with the vanilla buttercream, just smells fantastic. So I'm going to make 2 batches. So I'm just going to speed this video up just because there's not a lot going on, but you can just kind of see the process of making it, adding the poppy seeds, and then pouring into the molds and texturing the tops. So I will be back for the cut, so enjoy the making. Thank you. All right, and we are back for the cut. I'm just going to speed this up, but you can see that it's already started to discolor, even 12 hours later. It doesn't bother me, but you can see the poppy seeds in it, and I do think it's kind of cool how the outside rim discolors. It'd be kind of cool if you could get it to stay like that, but it won't. So the whole soap will end up discoloring to like a medium brown, a little bit darker than the outside as it is now. And that just happens over time. So no big deal. I just learned to embrace the discoloration. I don't try and fight it. And customers don't seem to care that it's a brown bar soap. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Oh, and I did want to point out, if you see the diamond mold, my soaps pop right out of the mold. No struggling, no pulling at the sides, no tearing, it just literally pops right out. So anyway, if you've got questions about the diamond mold, feel free to ask me, but you can get those at BeScented. Thanks so much for subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.